welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you. If you are new here, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button and stick around. We have all sorts going on this channel: makeup, hair, vlogs, nail stuff, hauls, reviews, everything. So getting into this video, it is a haul video. Now this is a really long-awaited video. I was sent some products from a brand called Beauty Big Bang. It is a website. I'm not entirely sure where they are based, but I know that they're not in the UK. But that's about as much as I can really tell you guys. I have got somewhere, oh there it is, I have this cute little card, which I think is so cute. If it will focus, that would be amazing. BEAUTYBIGBANG.com, and then on the back it has just got all of their social media. So go head over and, you know, check them out. I do believe that I have a discount code. I will leave that linked down below. I need to just find out what it is because it's in an email somewhere. But yes, so they sent me some stuff ages and ages ago, and I received it. Now, there wasn't that much stuff there, so I wasn't going to do a haul. I was just going to do like some videos, and I have mentioned them in a couple of videos where I've used a few of their glitters, and also some Instagram posts. So I have already done all that. But this is like a proper haul where I can talk to you properly about it. So I'm going to come a little bit closer. There we go. Hopefully I'm not too close now. Sorry guys, in your face. So they then contacted me then a few months ago and was like basically the same thing, and they sent me some more stuff. So I got to choose what I wanted to get, and I'm going to show you what I got now. I feel like now there's more stuff for me to show you in actual haul. So one thing that I got was this pack of glitters, and I have to tell you, I am in love with these glitters. I have used them. You guys will have seen me use some of these glitters, so I'm going to just show you them like just like this. But there's a couple there. This one's got like a mixture of gold and silver, and then this one's just mainly gold. It was a pack of 5, and they just range from different like tones of gold, really. The best way for me to show you these guys, like this one is mainly silver, and then it's like a bit more gold, really gold, and then a mixture of gold and silver, if that makes sense. But the best way for me to show you them is to use them like on sets and on nails, and I have in the past and I will be doing in the future. So I will always mention what I'm using, and you guys will know that anyways. So I've also got, similar to that, some pink glitters. So the same thing, but 5 pots of pink glitters. Now one of these is missing because I have used it and I can't find it anywhere. Obviously, just as I needed to film this video, I couldn't find them. But as you can see, it's very similar. It just ranges from a brighter pink to just different tones of pink, and then to like a really pale pink. And again, it's just like tubs of glitter. And these are my favourite kinds of glitter because they are completely mixed in size, and they've got like all the different sizes of glitter. And I just think when that's on your nails, I don't like just one size of glitter. I just don't. It just doesn't work for me. Like, I just don't like it that much. I much prefer it when there's a mixture of all the different sizes, or even like different, like you can see on my nails now, I've got like, these glitters are like different sizes and also like different shapes and stuff like that. I just think it makes a nicer look. So those are the first 2 things that I got. Now, I then ordered this, which I'm super excited about and cannot wait to try this out. And I've even decided to stock something similar to this on my website. But this is like a little, I'll just show you it. It's basically like a little pack that's got loads of different colours of the round glitters. I've seen a lot of people use these kinds of glitters in nails lately, and I really love the look for like glitter fades and stuff like that. They're basically, what would you call them? Is it glitter dots? Or like, you know what I mean? Obviously you can see. But there are literally so many different colour like blends, like different colours. I'm just so excited to try these out. Yeah, I just love it. So I also ordered, because you guys might know that I did get a little bit into stamping a while back, I decided to order 2 stamping polishes. Now I do like to use acrylic paint to stamp with, but I wanted to try out some proper stamping polishes, and I figured they have got like a good range of different colours on the website. But for me, I was like, I could only spend so much, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get black and white, because at the end of the day, those are the 2 colours that I know I would be able to use the most. So like whatever set of nails, I can use a black or a white on those nails. Does that make sense? I'm sure you guys understand what I'm saying. I have already used these and I love them. I've mentioned them in videos, I've put Instagram posts up with me, like the pictures of it. And yeah, I was really, really impressed. Now, I don't have any actual like stamping polishes to compare it to, because I've only tried regular polish, which doesn't really work very well, and acrylic paint, which does work well. But these are the first stamping polishes I use, and definitely better than regular nail varnish, let's just put it that way. So those are the 2 nail polishes that I got. And finally, see, I told you it wasn't really a very, very big haul, but finally, and not least, because I'm very excited about this, I got these like little crystal type things. They just came in this pack like this, and as you can see, there are completely all different colours and like all different sizes. So I'm really excited to try these. I have not opened this and I have not used these yet at all, but I really want to, and I can't wait. And I just think, like, yeah, they're going to look really, really cool. What I would like to do is give you a little bit of something in this video. I want to like show you some of it in action, but I just don't know how to go about it. I might try find a clip or make a clip to just pop in of me using the glitters maybe, just so you can see. These glitters are so amazing, I just love them. There are some videos on my website, there are some videos on my channel already of me using them. Will like this video and maybe my post and things like that, and want to send me some more stuff so I can show you guys some more of the stuff that they have on the website. There is so much stuff on the website. I will leave the website link down below. Hopefully by the time I post this video, from then on all my videos will have my code in there. So you will be able to go on. I think it's 10% off that you can get, but I'm not 100% sure. I do need to refer back to the email. I'm very sorry about that, you guys, but I will definitely leave it down below. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and yes, I'm super excited and so grateful to Beauty Big Bang for sending me all of these things. And so far, from what I've used so far, really impressed. Like, I'm very happy with it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you already use things from Beauty Big Bang, please do leave me some comments down below and let me know. And if there's anything in particular that you'd want me to try out from the website, if they do get back in touch with me, then please do let me know about that as well, and I will try and get that for you and try that out for you as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!